Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for showing up so late. Sorry for a few videos. Today I'm gonna show my next problem with the Opel Corsa D 2007. The rear wiper stopped working. What had happened before, it was like when you turn it on to clean it, it was running fine, but you couldn't turn it off. It was just constantly working, and only when you turn off the ignition it would stop. So and now it stopped for good. So when I'm turning to clean the window, the liquid is fine. It sprinkles, but the wiper is not turning. So I'm gonna take a look. So in order to get to the motor, you would have to open the trunk, and there are two hinges up here. Then there is there's a screw in each one and two, the Torx. You undo those and you're able to pull out this panel. Okay, I'll take it out and then we'll continue. So this is how it looks. This is the Viper motor, and this is the incoming line, the power coming to the motor. So you see the two wires, the thicker ones, the side wires, they are the power. So what you want to do is check, does it have a power coming? So you just it's dark outside here. Okay, you just press. Okay, so you can see this lip here. You need to press this one down to be able to remove it from the unit. Okay, just remove it, and see, there's the thick wires and thinner one in the middle one. This is the signal. So you need to check these two with the got it. So put it in the side pins, and on your voltage meter you want to put it on the volts, DC volts, and just turn the wiper on and check on the volts. See, 11 volts. So it's getting the signal to work. Now you can turn it off, and yeah, see, now it's not. So the fuse is okay. The wiring till the motor is okay. So you can just take this one out, and so you know that it's not the problem in the wiring or the fuses. The problem is in the motor itself. So you need to take it out. Right now it's holding 1, 2, and 3 screws, and one from the top. So you need to undo this one, take off the wiper arm, undo these 3, and it will slide in. Okay. So yeah, I was able to get the screw off, the nut, but this one's rusted in and I can't get it off. So what I'm trying to do is I undo these screws, loosen the motor itself out, and I will try to reach these screws to open it, and then kind of take out the motor without removing the shaft from the window. Maybe then I can reach and then pull it from the outside out. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I'm really ashamed to show you this thing right now, but you have to stay strong, guys. You have to stay strong. See what's inside. How it looks.
Det säger kakat.
Hey!
Kakas försvinner vad det är.
How it looks inside, see? It's all... Oh man, I don't even know how to say. There's no lubrication at all. It's all sand. It's all sand, man. Shit, crazy. No wonder why it's not turning. Man. Crazy. It's all sand. Shoot. How did it get in there? So that's a question for $1 million. That's... Oh my god. How do you get so much sand inside? Okay. So I've cleaned all the dust, all the junk out. We greased it with the white grease. Up here, so there is some browns from the dust in the white grease, but it's mostly been cleaned. So just a little bit underneath there where it was left some of the dirt. It kind of cleaned out with the white grease, but basically it's all a lot better than it was before. So I will try to put it back and see if it works or not. Okay. So I think I have it working. Yay! So good. Works good. Thank you.